Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Today I have made this video. As you can see, this high voltage protection. This is a diagram of high volt protection, and I have used a few components. You can see 120 with a 220 volt relay. It is a very heavy duty relay with a socket. As you can see, this is the socket, and with a circuit breaker. You can use any kind of circuit breaker less than 1 ampere or 10 ampere as you have are available. So let me zoom this video to let me teach you properly. So keep in touch with me. So guys, let me go ahead and let me teach the wiring or connection of this circuit. And you can see this is the pole or electric pole, and we have 220 volts positive from here and negative here. So this negative wire which leads us, you can see, direct to this home or any sort of load or factory or whatever is it. So this negative is directly goes to this load. Now another connection is going with the negative, as you can see, from here to this circuit breaker. So this circuit breaker pass the volt and provide the volt to this socket. This hole is for this terminal, so it is connected with this connection. So from here you can see another wire is going on with the terminal of this relay. This is 120 volt relay, as you can see it, and this is the coil of this relay, and these are the two terminals of this coil connection. So negative I have provided to it, and similarly you can see this is the positive wire which I have used to this directly to this terminal of this relay, and similarly wire is going on and connected with this terminal of this relay. This is the switching system. Sorry for the noise. So you can see when the relay will be on, this connection will be turned down and switch the power from here to here, and this will this positive volt go on and directly connected with this load. This is a house or a factory or any kind of load. So now another connection is going on. You can see here the positive one is going on and connected with this socket. Let me show the socket and the relay to clear your mind. So guys, you can see this is the socket which I have used, or if you want to use it from here. And similarly you have to use a circuit breaker 1 ampere to 10 ampere as you want, but as minimum you want, it is more appropriate, because minimum ampere circuit breaker can turn down or turn off the volts more quickly rather than the heavy ampere relay. So you can see I have used this socket, and this is the relay I will use it here. And how is it work? You can see this is the direct positive volts to this socket here, and this is the negative direct volts which is going on through this circuit breaker and are directly connected with this socket, and similarly it goes to connected with this relay. When the negative volt pass through this circuit breaker, and it will be turned on and the voltage will be provided properly. When the high voltage comes anytime, here is the socket, and this is the component which I have used for surge protection. This is called varistor. The function of this varistor is to catch the high voltage or high spike, and it will short the negative and positive with each other. When the high volt comes, this varistor will short the volts with each other, or you can see it is connected with each other like this. This wire is connected with this wire, so the volts will be short, and the totally load will be shifted on this circuit breaker, and this circuit breaker will be turned down very quickly, and the negative volt would be turned off, and this relay will be turned off, and the high volts will be turned down, because the coil of this relay do not have the negative volts. So by this way, the positive volt will be disconnected from here, and your home devices or your load will be safe. So this is the whole mechanism, and I have made other videos by using these varistors in my channel, and this is another project or another way of using these kind of circuits to protect your load. So I hope you can understand, and I have tried my level best to teach you as well as I can. So if you have any kind of question or query, please ask me. I will try my level best to reply you as soon as possible. And another request that we are doing our level best to teach you or share our experience with all of you. And let me also tell you that having no resources to make these kind of projects practically, or we cannot afford to make these kind of projects. So if you subscribe or like our channel, it will motivate us, and we made more videos. So thanks to be in touch with me, and bye bye for now.